Come over means to visit someone at their house or place. Example: why don't you come over to my house this weekend? Own up means to admit that you did something wrong. Example: she owned up to breaking the vase. Keep away means to stay at a distance from something. Example: keep away from the fire, it's dangerous. Rip off means to charge someone too much for something, usually unfairly. Example: the movie tickets were a rip-off. Look down on means to think you're better than someone else. Example: he looks down on people who don't have a lot of money. Put aside means to stop doing something for a moment and focus on something else. Example: let's put aside our differences and work together. Payback means to return money or something owed. Example: I'll pay you back tomorrow for the lunch. Beat up means to physically hurt someone, or it can mean that something looks old or damaged. Example: he got beat up in the fight. Kick out means to force someone to leave a place. Example: the teacher kicked him out of class for being disruptive. Bump into means to meet someone by chance. Example: I bumped into my old friend at the mall yesterday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.